Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change Circle K phone number. To change your phone number on Circle K, the first thing to do is to launch Open Circle K application from your app drawer. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are, tap on the account button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you open up the account menu, tap on Profile under My Account at the top. Under Profile, scroll down and tap on Change right next to Mobile Phone Number. Now, enter the new mobile phone number you would like to change to. After you type in your phone number, tap Change Number and enter the verification code that you receive shortly on your new number. Once you type in the verification code, tap on Confirm Password and you will then be able to change your phone number to something else on Circle K. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.